The bulk send feature is useful when you need to send the same document to hundreds of people. With just one click, you can send it to everyone at once, and the system will automatically generate a unique copy of the document for each recipient. You can also make each document personalized by including recipient-specific information. Let's see how this process works. First, upload the document that needs to be signed by all recipients. Then, click this button and select Bulk Send. As you can see, a new field appears for the bulk recipients. If you only need signatures from these people, you can delete the first field. However, if someone else also needs to sign the document, then keep the first field as well. If you want each signer to go through authentication, you can enable it using this button. Once everything is set, click Next, where you'll need to add signature fields for the recipients. If you want each document to be personalized and tailored to its signer, there are two ways to do that. Either you fill in the information yourself, or let the signer provide it. Let's do it ourselves this time. Select Actions for Sender and drag text fields onto all the spots in the document where you want personalized information to appear. Rename each text field so later you can easily identify what information belongs where. To do that, simply double-click on the field and give it a name, for example, full name, position and personal ID number. Now let's move on to the recipient group data. Click on Recipient Group. In this window you'll see all the fields we just created in the document. The first two fields, name and email, define who the document is being sent to and where. These fields will not appear inside the document itself. You can either fill in the fields directly in this window or upload information using an Excel file. To do so, click Upload File, then Download, fill in the details in that file, and upload it back here once completed. If any required field is missing information, it will be highlighted in red, and you can correct it right away. Click Save. Before sending, you can preview the document. Then click Send. You can close this window and continue working. The system will handle the rest. On the Documents page, you'll find each sent document listed separately, with the recipient's name included in the title for easy identification.